Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews, guys. Today I'm super excited to bring to you a unboxing of the 5th generation Amazon Echo Dot. So that's the box. Amazon isn't sponsoring this video. They don't have anything to do with me, and if you are new to the channel, I would like to let you know that I fund everything on this channel myself to ensure an unbiased review, or as much as I can to mitigate any bias. And if you appreciate that and you want to support me, all you have to do is subscribe, like and watch, and a super thanks would always be appreciated. Any sort of donation would help me out. Let's get this unboxing underway. So these look quite big. I thought they were bigger. They were about yay big, I thought, but I'm guessing they're quite tiny because that's a dot. It would make sense to have like a yay big dot. All right. Okay, so that's the dot. Okay, so I guess this is mic silent, volume up and down, and this is for Alexa to come on. And it's not too bad. It's got a little clock. It should have a little clock here, and it's got a rubber bottom just like all the other dot. I don't mind it at all. It's nice. It's not too bad. It's not too flashy. I don't mind it at all. I think it's nice. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have used Amazon's products and what do you guys think about them. All right guys, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Thank you for staying it to the end. Make sure you hit that like button and that super thanks button if you can. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. I hope you have a great day. Take good care. Bye bye.